There are numerous items accessible to AC Compressors, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best AC compressors from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Delphi CS0120 AC Compressor. OE part same one that you get from the vehicle manufacturer, clutch and pulley fully installed at factory. Full OE assemblies with OE connectors, clutch assemblies and sealing washers, included with every compressor sold, saving time and money. OE connectors saves valuable time during installation, not to have to splice wires or reposition wiring harnesses. Fit type vehicle specific. OEM parts. Part number CS0120. Package weight 7.693 kilograms. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Number 2. 𝐂𝐸𝐸 10886 AC Compressor. This air conditioner compressor with clutch is compatible with the 2007 to 2012 6-cylinder 2.5L Nissan Altima. It's specially designed for an exact fit. This powerful auto AC compressor can provide intense pressure to achieve strong cooling effect. It also manifests excellent performance in dissipating heat and ventilation. Our AC compressor kit works efficiently under low noise and tiny vibration to provide you a super cool trip. Driving at a stable speed will help reduce fuel consumption. The compressor is mainly made of high-strength aluminum alloy. Therefore, it is durable and ensures stability and real long service life. Our AC compressor is designed for direct and easy replacement, and it has been strictly tested before leaving the factory to make sure it meets OEM standards. Number 3. 𝐂𝐸𝐸 29002 AC Compressor. Brand new, OE replacement. 𝐂𝐸𝐸 branded 10S17F compressor assembly. Best fit. Add your car, your make model, to Amazon's garage to confirm. Premium ISO TS 16949 quality, tested to meet or exceed OEM specifications. Includes body, clutch, pulley and coil. Compressor may come charged with shipping oil to keep the part lubricated during transit, drain and replace according to your system's requirements. Rigorous factory auditing process and in-house validation team allow 𝐂𝐸𝐸 to achieve high-quality standards. Consistent quality, competitive cost and a large product range. Extensive quality control procedures like those used during OEM's production. All units are pressure tested for leaks to ensure product quality. Number 4. 4 Seasons 78377 new AC Compressor. Meets or exceeds OE design and performance. Part number 78377. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Package dimensions 18.034 x 28.702 liters x 20.573 watts, centimeters. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Number 5. Durl AC Air Condition Compressor. Check our product description to make sure our compressor fit your vehicle. OEM part number 977011 R100 977011 W600. Materials are matching the same requirements as OE products. Only high-quality materials. All items tested for reliability, durability and performance. 100% brand new, utilizes the latest design and material technology. Durl AC Air Condition Compressor with clutch 4-liter 1.6L, compatible with Hyundai 12-17 Ac and compatible with Kia 12-17 Rio, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.